Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to address a common question about how to archive an order on Amazon. Now, the process has changed recently, so let's dive into the details. Previously, all Amazon users had a simple, direct way to archive any orders right from their order history page. So while that option is gone, you can still easily find all of your past orders. Now, here is how to do that. Simply open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Then make sure that you're logged into your account. Then over here at the top, click on your account name. Then simply select Your Orders. Now this page will show every order that you have made. So now for the main piece of information. Amazon has removed the Archive Order feature. So the option to archive an order used to be located right beneath each individual order card on this page. And if you clicked on your order details for a specific purchase, the archive link was previously found in the bottom left corner of that order detail page. However, as reported by users and confirmed recently, the archive link is no longer available on any of these pages, and you will not be able to archive any order at this time. And that's it, the simple answer to your question. If Amazon brings this feature back, we will update you immediately. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So, thank you for watching, and take care.